Well, good morning. We're heading down into southwestern part of Bend. I guess it's a Ford Ranger we're going to pick up. I guess it won't start, and gonna tow it over to the shop. So let's get headed over there. Ooh, it's the competition. Just kidding. Those guys are the big dogs in town, and they've been nothing but cool to work with. So good dudes. So we are in Deschutes River Woods, or the DRW, as all the cool kids call it. I guess that makes it sound like fancier, or like some sort of cool club you get to be part of or something, I don't know. But we got about another mile or so up the road here, and we should be getting to our Ford Ranger. Hey, I've towed that thing. Okay, it should be...
Take the next left onto Osage Road, then your destination will be on the left.
That's what it should be. Now I don't even have to tell you. Alright, we got it all loaded up, strapped down front and back. We got the lights up there. We're ready to go. The only thing we got to do is once it's a sharp turn out of here, then I'll put the safety chains on and off we go. So let's head to the shop. Hi, Matt. Bye, Matt. And now back into town, even though we never really left town. Okay, I got it unloaded, so now we'll turn around and we can head out of here. Okay, now that we're done with that, we're in line here to get some lunch at the local gourmet restaurant. It's kind of a high-end, fancy place, so it's always real popular and backed up, but we're making progress. We're getting there. Okay, now that that's done, we ran back home, grabbed the trailer, because we're going to pick up another vehicle. But it's not another Jeep or anything cool like that, because it fits in a trailer, so you'll see. Okay, we picked up our new little ride, and also picked Riley up from school. Say hi.
Hi.
Do you want to go see what we picked up?
Uh-huh.
It's not ours though. We got it for a friend of mine, okay? Let's go check it out.
Uh-huh.
Okay, we got a three-wheeler. Right, do you want to go see it?
Uh-huh.
Do you want to sit on it?
Uh-huh.
Okay. This is a little Honda 70 ATC. And this is not restored, it's just that clean of a classic. It's an 80 something, I'll have to look it up. It's got all the original paperwork from the original owner and everything, so super clean little bike. Right, what do you think?
I can see everything from here.
You can? Oh, because you're up higher than the trailer?
Uh-huh.
Pretty cool. Do you need one of your own?
Uh-huh.
This one isn't ours, but should we get one for you too?
I want a pink one.
Oh, you want a pink one?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'll see what I can do. All right, did Scott get a good three-wheeler? Say good job, Scott.
Good job.
Okay, so that is what I had to come pick up. A good buddy of mine from Northern California spotted it on Marketplace or Craigslist or something. He's super into those things, and that one was a really good deal. So he wanted to scoop it up before it disappeared, and since he's in Northern California and I'm right here, I came over and grabbed it for him, and then he'll come up and get it later, unless Riley takes it over. So, Riley, where are we?
Apple juice store.
Yep, we're at the apple juice store. And Riley has seen me buy and sell a whole lot of vehicles, and she just informed me that I need to buy a school bus because I haven't bought a school bus yet, and she wants one. So maybe we got to look for a school bus now. All right, Riley, what'd you get?
A mystery and this pop. This is Nancy's favorite pop.
You got 2 of them? What flavor is your mystery?
Blueberry.
Oh, you scored.
Blueberry and marshmallow.
Blueberry and marshmallow? That sounds like an amazing combination. Should we head home? All right, let's go home. Okay, we got it back to my house and unloaded. It's a 1983, and even the cats like it. Not restored. This is just how clean it is original. I'm sure the seat cover's been replaced and tires and all, but plastics and tank and all have not been redone, as you can see. So it's just a super clean little bike, and I know these are like collector's items and all that now, but what I don't know is if he's buying it to be a collector's item where it's not supposed to be ridden and it's going to be like put away and kept all super good, or he's actually going to use it and let his kid ride it or something like that. I doubt it. I think he wants it for a collector's item, but that wasn't clear in the instructions, so we ride. I was gonna ride it right on into the shop, but totally forgot there's a Cherokee on tracks in the way. So let's take this thing around to the other door. Actually, before we park the truck, we should use the truck to park the junk car back over there. I pulled it out so that me and Riley could run it over with the wheelies, and we did, and it was fun. Man, this truck makes things easy. Anyway, that's put away. We got the 3-wheeler put away, the trailer unhooked. My buddy Scott's gonna come pick that thing up. I don't know when, but until then I got a 3-wheeler. So, but that is it for this one. I'm gonna go inside, get some dinner, hang out with the family, and we'll see you guys next time.